So you're trying to decide between Amazon FBA and Shopify, and they can both make you money, but they win in very different ways. By the end of this video, you'll know which one is right for you. Amazon FBA is Amazon's marketplace and fulfillment system. So you send inventory to Amazon, and Amazon handles storage, shipping, customer service, and returns. Shopify is your own e-commerce platform, and for dropshipping, it usually means you built the store while a third party supplier ships the orders. The big thing to understand is this: Amazon FBA is usually inventory first, while Shopify is a much more natural fit for true dropshipping. First up is traffic. Amazon FBA gives you instant access to Amazon shoppers, which means you can get in front of people who already have buying intent, while Shopify gives you your own store but expects you to generate traffic with ads, content, SEO, or influencers. Winner: Amazon FBA, because built in demand is the fastest shortcut to early sales. Next is branding and control. Shopify lets you own the site, the design, the checkout experience, the offers, and a lot more of the customer relationship. While Amazon FBA puts you inside Amazon's ecosystem, where convenience is high but control is lower. Winner: Shopify, because if you're building a long term brand instead of just chasing marketplace sales, owning the storefront matters a lot. Third is fulfillment and operations. Amazon FBA is hard to beat here because Amazon stores your products, ships them fast, handles returns, and gives you prime level logistics, while Shopify dropshipping depends heavily on the supplier and apps you choose. So, speed and consistency can vary. Winner: Amazon FBA, because its logistics are stronger, simpler, and much more predictable once you're selling volume. Now, pricing. Amazon FBA does not have a true free plan. The closest option is the individual seller plan at 99 cents per item sold. And the professional plan starts in about $40 a month, but that's before referral fees, fulfillment fees. So, Amazon FBA can get expensive fast. Shopify also does not have a permanent free plan, though it usually offers a free trial, and Shopify Basic starts at $29 a month on annual billing. Also remember, Amazon FBA fees are layered and harder to predict, while Shopify's base cost is simpler even though app costs and ad spend can add up. For value, Amazon FBA can be worth it if Amazon's traffic and fulfillment save you time and boost conversions. But Shopify Basic is usually the cleaner entry point for beginners and most dropshippers. Links in the description for current pricing. If you want built in traffic, simpler fulfillment, and you're okay buying inventory upfront, pick Amazon FBA. If you want lower upfront inventory risk, full brand control, and a business you can shape your own way, pick Shopify. If you're specifically asking about dropshipping, pick Shopify because Amazon FBA is not really a dropshipping model in the first place. If you're already good at paid ads or content, Shopify gives you more room to test offers and build something you control. If you want Amazon handling the heavy lifting after inventory arrives, Amazon FBA is easier operationally. My overall pick for this specific comparison is Shopify because most people looking at Amazon FBA versus Shopify dropshipping want flexibility, lower starting risk, and a brand they actually own. The simple version is this: Amazon FBA is better for marketplace selling, and Shopify is better for brand building. Amazon FBA is still the better choice if you already have a product, you're comfortable investing in inventory, and you want faster access to buyers. Links in the description. Like and subscribe if this helped.